So today, just a quick video to update you on the tomato grafting trials that I ran this year. I basically did 50-50 of all the varieties that I could, where half of them were just standard seeds sown as normal, and the other half were grafted plants that I had to buy. I did try grafting them myself, I wasn't very good at it. So anyway, they were basically planted at the same time, same conditions, etc, etc, so far as I could make it. And I would say the grafted plants grew about twice as big, which in itself is a bit of a challenge because they did kind of overtake the polytunnel a little bit. And the yield was about 30% better. So I think on balance it was probably worth it. And just to sort of sum up the difference between the two approaches, I did take the roots out of grafted and ungrafted plants so that you could compare them. And I don't normally do that, so I normally leave the roots in the ground, but let's just take a look. So here are the roots: ungrafted, grafted, ungrafted. And I think, you know, this makes all the difference in a dry polytunnel. You know, those roots went even further, they were even bigger. Just look at some of these roots, they're just huge. And as I say, it's hard to keep everything watered in a polytunnel, but when you can get roots down really deep like this, these plants I easily pulled out with my hand, but these needed a fork to get out. Really giant, at least I would say twice the length of these little ones. So I hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and if you had any experience with grafted tomatoes, I'd be really interested to know how you get on, whether you think it's worth it, whether you're going to do it next year or not. I think I'm going to do some of them grafted next year. I'm not 100% committed to all of them just because of the range of varieties that are available, but I'm going to do some of them. We'll see how we get on. I'll try and do an even better experiment next year.